What's up, guys? This is Nick Janusa. We're here at south of the border. Not too far of a race for me. I think it's about 600 miles, which I know sounds far, but it's like 8-9 hours for us, which is good, so it kind of feels like it's close to home. I'm still playing catch-up in points right now. I had a really bad race in Texas, 2 back-to-back motos, where I lost an engine one and did horrible in the other one, so I want to get as far up as I can on this.
Getting ready to go out for time qualifying here south of the border. Watched practice yesterday. It looked pretty fun. A lot of jumps, pretty technical, hard packed. Looks kind of like Pennsylvania dirt, which I'm pretty excited about. Just hoping for a good weekend, trying to get the monkey off my back, get rid of all that bad luck I had at Ironman, and just race each race and put my head down, try to win motos, and no real pressure now. Just got to work my way back up through the points and see what I can do. I mean, there's 7 more rounds, so got plenty of time for work to be done. It's just it's time to go to work now, I guess. super good weekend for me. Got first in time qualifying, 2 hole shots today. Bike was working awesome. That Dasa motor just ripping out of the line. Max's tires hooking up awesome, and picked up a lot of points. So that's the goal, just keep building on this and go to Muddy Creek, one of my better tracks, and try to do it again.
Leaving here the points leader, but you know I'm still fighting for wins, and that's our goal. And I'm gonna keep pushing to the end and see how the cards fall, and on to Muddy Creek next round.
Huge weekend to be back up here and keep pushing. We're still close in points, and we're just gonna keep clicking away. Like I said, I'm super pumped. The old CST T-Brown training, Root River team, just, you know, man, we all put our hats on and we do what we need to do to get the job done, and I think we did it. So pumped, and we'll see y'all at Muddy Creek.